friends, it is Running Kimono, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Dawn soap with Dawn soap, so you're not spending $3 or $4 for that replacement for the power wash. So if you're going to buy one of these trigger sprays at like a Walmart or a Meijer, it's anywhere between $4.95 to $5, which is really expensive. The replacement soap is about $3, but you can actually use like a regular Dawn dish soap that you can get for about $1 to replace it. And I've been doing this for about 3 months, and it seems to really work well. So what you're going to need for this is a Dawn power wash, like an empty one, some Dawn dish soap you can buy for about 99 cents or $1 anywhere, and then some water. It is that easy. So this guy, 7.5 ounces, so you can do this twice with this. So I'm just going to show you how we do it. Hubby is going to be showing us today's video, so you just unscrew the top, very easy to do. I have a little bit of soap in there, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. And so what we're going to do is with this little itty bitty one, it's 7.5 ounces. We're going to put about 3 ounces in there. So a little bit of sped up video because this is, takes a couple minutes to do. So you're not spilling it all over the place, but about 3 ounces. You can even go 3.5, whatever you want, but like about half. So just eyeball it. Pretty easy process. Do it over a sink. And then here it is just to show you where my mark is. About where the H is on the power wash, that's usually where I kind of like eyeball it. And there was a little bit of sudding in there too, but it's not gonna ruin or hurt anything. So now a little bit of water, just fill up one of these little Pyrexes with the spout so it's easier to pour. And then he's gonna fill this up, and we'll just show you here on camera. Pretty easy process. And it might bubble up a little bit, especially if you had soap in there, but don't worry about it. It might make the bottle a little bit slippery, so you'll have to be a little cautious when you're screwing it back on, but it's a pretty easy process. But yeah, this dilution of like about 1.5 cups of water to 3.5 ounces of dish soap, it seems to like mimic this power wash, and it is Dawn, so it's the same grade of like grease cutting, that sort of a thing. And I just went with original. You can always go with the one that's like platinum or extra strength, whatever you use in your household. Hold on 1 sec. Spray the pan. So this is really a great cleaner that a lot of those famous TikTok cleaners use in the kitchen. And doing this, you're saving a lot of money. It's a difference between $3 or 49 cents. Good amount of soap. I can refill it twice. And I've been doing this for about 3 months with a lot of success and love it so much. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.